Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to send money with Western Union. First thing first, go to the Western Union website and log in or create a new account. Select Money Sent from the menu and enter the recipient's country, amount, and delivery method like bank account, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Provide the recipient's details like name, bank info, or mobile number depending on the transfer type, and choose your payment method like debit or credit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. Now review the transaction details and click Send Money. You'll receive a money transfer control number to share with the recipient. Just a tip, always double check the recipient details and keep your MTCN private to avoid scams. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.